Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking you straight to the heart of Italy, where the glamour and glitz of the 2024 Venice Film Festival are in full swing. Glowing star, let's dive into the most unforgettable celebrity appearances and jaw-dropping outfits that have taken the red carpet by storm. You won't want to miss this. 2024 Venice Film Festival Celebrity Red Carpet Looks. First up, we have the ever-charismatic Brad Pitt, who made quite the entrance with his stunning girlfriend, Ines de Ramon. Brad looked effortlessly stylish in a classic black tuxedo with a modern twist. Think slim fit cut, sleek satin lapels, and a crisp white shirt. Meanwhile, Ines dazzled in a floor-length, emerald white gown that perfectly complemented her figure. The dress featured intricate beading and a daring thigh-high slit, adding just the right amount of drama. Talk about a power couple moment. Glowing star. Next on the list, the ultimate Hollywood power couple, George and Amal Clooney. George kept it classic with a tailored midnight black tuxedo, while Amal stole the show in a stunning off-the-shoulder light yellow gown that shimmered with every step. The gown, adorned with delicate sequins and an elegant train, was the epitome of grace and sophistication. Amal paired the dress with diamond drop earrings and a beautiful hairstyle, making a statement that was both timeless and trendsetting. Sparkles. And let's not forget about the charming Richard Gere and his beautiful wife, Alejandra Silva. Richard opted for a classic look with a double-breasted black tuxedo, while Alejandra looked radiant in a blush white gown. The dress, with its soft, flowing layers and intricate lace detailing, perfectly captured the romantic vibe of the evening. The couple's coordinated look was a delightful mix of elegance and charm, proving that love and style go hand in hand. Last but certainly not least, Antonio Banderas and his partner, Nicole Kimple, made a captivating appearance. Antonio looked dapper in a tailored white suit, complete with a white dress shirt and a playful black tie. Nicole, on the other hand, stunned in a shimmering gown that hugged her silhouette beautifully. The gown featured a sweetheart neckline and subtle embroidery, exuding both elegance and sensuality. The couple looked effortlessly chic and perfectly in sync. Dancer man dancing. Which celebrity look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things fashion. Until next time, stay stylish. Glowing star.